Delving into the health impacts of heat waves is critical, as it reveals the true human cost of climate change. The effects go far beyond simple discomfort and can be severe, even fatal, especially for the most vulnerable. 1. The spectrum of heat related illnesses. Heat stress can cause a range of conditions, from mild to life threatening. Heat cramps, the mildest form. These are painful muscle spasms, often in the legs or abdomen, caused by dehydration and salt loss through sweating. Heat exhaustion, a more serious condition that occurs when the body loses too much water and salt. Symptoms include a rapid heartbeat, nausea, dizziness, headache, excessive sweating, and pale, clammy skin. It's a warning sign that the body is struggling and can quickly progress to heat stroke if not treated. Heat stroke. This is a life threatening medical emergency. It happens when the body's internal temperature regulation system fails. A core body temperature above 40 degrees Celsius is the key indicator. Symptoms are severe and include confusion, slurred speech, seizures, hot and dry skin, and a lack of sweating. Without immediate and proper medical care, it can lead to organ damage or death. 2. Disproportionate impact on vulnerable populations. The health burden of heat waves is not shared equally. Specific groups in India are far more at risk. Outdoor workers, this includes farmers, construction workers, and street vendors. They have no choice but to work in the extreme heat, leading to prolonged exposure and a much higher risk of heat related illness. A lack of access to clean drinking water, shade, and rest breaks exacerbates this risk. The elderly, as of 2022, the elderly make up over 10% of India's population. They are particularly vulnerable due to a reduced ability to regulate body temperature and a diminished thirst sensation. This makes them prone to dehydration, kidney injuries, and a worsening of pre existing conditions like heart and lung diseases. The urban poor, residents of urban slums are at a higher risk due to the urban heat island effect, where concrete and pavement trap heat, leading to higher nighttime temperatures. This lack of nighttime recovery disrupts sleep and worsens both physical and mental health. 3. The overlooked mental health crisis. The conversation around heat waves often overlooks their significant impact on mental health. Physiological and psychological stress. Extreme heat puts the body in a constant state of fight or flight, elevating stress hormones like cortisol. This can lead to increased irritability, anxiety, mood swings, and fatigue. Linked to suicides, studies from institutions like the University of California, Berkeley have linked extreme heat to a spike in suicides among farmers in India, highlighting the devastating mental health toll on a group already facing economic and climate related stress. Exacerbating existing conditions. For those with pre existing mental health conditions like depression and bipolar disorder, heat can worsen symptoms and increase the risk of hospitalization or even death.